Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to create a custom map design, maybe for an invitation, a website, or just to spice up a project, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make stylish, totally unique map designs using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to get a map into your design, but you'll also have all the tools and inspiration you need to make it look fantastic. Let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to Canva.com. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's a super user-friendly graphic design platform that works right in your browser. Once you're on the homepage and you're logged in, the magic starts. Just look for the big Create button, usually up in the top right corner. Give that a click. This is basically your launchpad for any new project. Next, we're going to choose a custom size for our design. This step is actually really important, especially with maps, because getting the right proportions up front ensures your map looks crisp and can be used just the way you want. So when prompted, select Custom Size, and then set both the width and height to 200 by 200 pixels. This makes a perfectly square canvas, which is great because it'll give your map a balanced, symmetrical look, nice for icons, social posts, or anywhere you want things looking tidy. Once you've entered those numbers, go ahead and click to create your new design. Now you should see a lovely blank canvas waiting for you. Alright, now comes a really cool part. We're going to import an actual interactive map straight into Canva using the built-in apps. Look over on the left-hand toolbar and find the Apps section, click that, and then use the search bar at the top to type in Google Map. Canva connects right to Google Maps, which means you can pull maps of any place in the world. Think your favorite city, your neighborhood, or a dreamy travel destination. After you've selected the Google Map option, it'll prompt you for a location. Just type in wherever you want, maybe Paris, Tokyo, or even your own address if you're designing something personal. The map will pop up on your canvas, ready for you to start designing. And here, where the fun truly begins. It's time to make this map your own by adding designs, colors, and personality. You can grab elements like arrows, pins, or even doodles from Canva's vast library and drag them right onto the map. Want to highlight a specific spot? Try layering a bright shape or a fun sticker over it. If you want your map to match a particular color scheme, click on the map and use the Edit option to adjust colors and styles until it fits your vision. Remember, the background is yours to play with too. You can add a gradient, a textured pattern, or keep it simple and clean. It's all up to you. Don't be afraid to experiment by adding text labels, little illustrations, or even changing the map's orientation. Sometimes the best designs come from just playing around and seeing what looks good. If things look a little off at first, don't worry, that's totally normal. Designing takes a bit of tinkering, and Canva makes it easy to tweak everything until you're happy. And that's it, you've just created a custom map design in Canva. Pretty simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share what kind of maps you're designing next. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. I've got plenty more tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy designing.